I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful for this. I literally feel like I'm sleeping on a cloud. I made it. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and I just moved to Austin and I'm gonna be giving you guys a empty apartment tour. Before we get started, if you guys are curious about rent prices, if you're curious about how the whole process went, I moved to Austin from Miami. I'm originally from New York. I looked at a lot of apartments, so I know a thing or two. If you guys have questions about how the move-in process went, how much it costs, the move-in rates, deposits, everything, leave a comment below and I'll make another video to answer all of your questions. We open and voila. This is the front door inside the unit. You go right into the dining room. My apartment is about 900 square feet. It's huge. Lights on, lights off. And now you move this way. And I literally have no furniture, guys. Right now, this is pretty much all I have. This is the kitchen. Look at this kitchen. It's freaking huge, huge. All black and white, beautiful for my decor. I have so much space. Like, this is what I love about living in Austin. This is my fridge. Look at how big this is. Like, I could literally lay on this kitchen island. It has enough space for like probably 4 bar stools. So I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this space. It's honestly big enough to put like a desk, and I can't really put anything here. This door opens. So that brings me to the next room in the house is the laundry room. I'm telling you guys, this place is huge. I went through like 20 apartments just to find this one. Brand new Whirlpool appliances stacked. I have space here to put like all my cleaning stuff and a pantry. Valet trash. So that's another thing with Texas that I've learned, because they don't do this in Miami. Oh, the lighting is so good in this apartment. All these apartments do valet trash. I just put my garbage outside the door and they come and pick it up. Like, yes, I will pay extra for that, okay? Now we're gonna go into the bathroom. Oh, hey, fancy seeing you here. I'm silly. Okay, so look at this bathroom. Look, yo. I feel like this space is so big. Like, look how high the ceilings are. This is what sold me. Bathtub, garden style, okay? There's a place for my arms. I'm gonna be taking a bath every single day because the last year where I was living, I didn't have a bathtub. Also a toilet, thank you, yes. A linen closet. Yes, the moment you've all been waiting for. In Austin, the closets are inside of the bathroom. Weird. It's not all of them, but most of them. I actually do like it though. The closet tour. No, I can't show you guys. Okay, I'll show you. Da, 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 da. Welcome to my closet tour. I'm in my closet. I can run in my closet. I can work out in my closet. I can film videos in my closet for you guys. Yeah, I could do a cartwheel in here. That's how big it is. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful for this. And there's a light. And the closet leads you to the bathroom. We got one more room. Let's go see it. And we can enter from 2 ways. We can either enter from the bathroom or I can enter from here. So it's been about a few weeks since I moved into my apartment. As you can tell, my bed is still on the floor, but I wanted to share with you guys a product, a pillow actually, that I got sent to me from this company called Vesta pillow. They are not paying me to say any of this, okay? They did send me 2 of their vegan pillows. So I wanted to unbox it on camera and show you. I've literally been sleeping with it since I moved in. So it's been like 2 weeks. I've literally been sleeping through the entire night. and I wake up beautifully without any neck pain or anything. It's the Purple Zen Vegan Down Pillow. It's hypoallergenic, and it's silicone coated fibers that mimic the feeling of down. It can be molded to your comfort without clumping or falling. Da-da-da. So it comes like micro, what's the word called? Vacuum sealed. Bam. So it comes literally super flat. I'm just gonna show you the one that I already have opened. Let me take the cover off. Okay, look at this. Come closer. It is so comfortable, this pillow. It is so interesting because the pillows that I always go for are just like the $5, $10 pillows from IKEA or Walmart or whatever. It's just a pillow, right? And I never realized how much I actually feel that pillows are important until I got this pillow. It's just soft. Like I literally feel like I'm sleeping on a cloud. It feels so good. So if you guys want the information, I'll leave it down below. It is called Vesta Pillow. I don't have a coupon code or anything. OMG, I didn't even realize it has a protector on it. No wonder why it's called Purple Zen and it's purple. That is so cute. So you don't wash the pillow, but you can wash the cover. I really like this pillow cover. No, it didn't come with a mattress. I ordered that. Order your mattress to get here the day you move in so you can actually sleep on something. This is what I was talking about. Brings you to the bathroom. And I have a fan. Love a fan in the bedroom, always. I can do 2 cartwheels, but I might go through the window. Woo! That is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my apartment tour. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm really, really, really happy about my decision. It took me some time to really find the one, but I kept manifesting and I kept feeling it out. This is exactly what I wanted and more, because that's always how it goes. You get what you want and more. But don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you live in Austin, comment below. I love you guys so much. And thank you for watching the video. More Austin videos coming your way. Bye.